there is a metaphor in here that so many of us who've grown up in abuse, like Saint Sebastian, just think that we have to put our hands behind our backs and just take that abuse patiently. And then when we're finally nearly killed by them, emotionally or physically, we can trot back for another session or have another abuser because we don't know any better. So for me, that was an incredibly powerful image.
The image in itself shows someone, would you say he was patient as he's going through this, his hands behind his back? Eventually the outcome was you said beaten.
Yeah.
So you're saying this cycle of abuse, a person can be conditioned to think that there is no other way out. Yeah. A woman can begin to think that this is just her lot in life and she has to continue to take it. You're saying a person can make a strategy through gray rocking and a number of other things, especially through your Break Free membership program. But they can come up with a strategy so that they don't, the metaphor being, find themselves having to take it over and over and go from one abusive relationship to another abusive relationship.
Absolutely. Gray rocking is only one part of an overall strategy. That's part of saving your own life and your own soul, but that's not the whole strategy. It's an important piece when you're stuck.
This is NATV Network.